Why is your toilet making those weird noises after every flush? Here's what's up with that toilet tank racket and how you can totally fix it yourself, even if you're new to plumbing. So, the main thing is your fill valve. It's probably on its last legs, which is why you get all that noise after flushing. First, you gotta shut off the water supply to the toilet, which is usually that little knob sticking out from the wall right behind it. Then flush the toilet to empty the tank as much as possible. And yeah, just grab a sponge or towel to soak up any leftover water because you want it bone dry in there. Next, unscrew the old fill valve from inside the tank. Honestly, it's just a big plastic nut most of the time, so hand tighten the new one and give it a gentle twist with pliers. Don't go Hulk on it or you'll crack something. Make sure to hook up that skinny black tube from the new fill valve into the overflow pipe inside the tank. This is how your toilet refills right. If your flapper valve looks old or crusty, swap that out too since they're cheap and can totally stop sneaky leaks. Once everything's back together, turn the water back on slowly and keep an eye out for any drips around your work. Open your stop valve fully and listen. If it's still noisy or not refilling right, double check your connections or consider replacing the old water line from the wall to the tank if it looks sketchy or cracked. And hey, don't stress if you need a little step-by-step help. There are a ton of videos online showing exactly how to swap out these parts. One of the biggest toilet repair mistakes is over-tightening fittings, which can crack your porcelain tank and cause way bigger leaks. Just snug everything up gently and don't force it. Another common issue is not draining the tank completely before starting, which leaves you with a watery mess and makes it harder to get a good seal on your new fill valve. Always use a sponge to get every last bit of water out. The third most frequent problem is forgetting to reconnect that refill tube or hooking it up wrong, which means your toilet won't refill properly and you'll keep hearing weird noises. Double check that the tube goes right into the overflow pipe and stays put. BigHomeProjects.com is super handy because it helps homeowners find legit, trustworthy local contractors for all those little jobs that just keep popping up. Contractors can also use it to get more work and boost their reputation by connecting with folks who actually need their services right now.